Local businesses are already choosing to invest in AI smart websites without being convinced, chased, or hard sold. Many are paying up to $3,000 upfront and $300 per month for an AI smart website that turns their online presence into a 24/7 sales and customer support machine. The best part is this is extremely beginner friendly because it's easy to set up and easy to maintain, but it is also very valuable, making it great for more advanced people as well because it solves core business problems. In this video, I'm going to walk you through setting up an AI smart website and having it pitch and sell itself to local businesses. And I'm even going to give you a smart website for free so you can get started right away. So this is the AI smart website that I'm going to be giving you for free. It is awesome and it has a ton of amazing things, but I just want to let you know, okay, before we go into this, this is going to blow you away. I'm not trying to sell you any outdated course or some random coaching upsell. None of that. Everything I'm going to give you is going to be free in this video. I also want to let you know, for the skeptics out there, that this can actually really do the selling for you. I mean, it is amazing if you set it up properly. If you don't believe me and you don't believe beginners can do this, check this out. So Shayla, tell us about how many clients you have currently and just walk us through this entire process.
Yeah, so far I have around 7. I started the program end of December, and we just rocking and rolling.
That was one of my students who was a beginner in my free community that did this. Now, again, that is not a guarantee that you're going to do the same. You obviously have to put the effort in, but you are seeing just how powerful this is. So first things first, let me break down what a smart website is. So a regular website really is just a brochure. But see, with a smart website, not only is it very cleanly set up and looks good, it's built to convert. So it has smart forms that collect their info, and it also has phone numbers connected to AI voice agents so they can do the sales and customer support. But on top of that, it also has the ability to make this website speak. And if you don't believe me, check this out. We can legitimately click this little box right here and it will talk to us. Watch.
Lexi here. How can I help you today?
Hey, Lexi, how you doing? I am trying to solve some problems with my family. That's why I need a family law firm.
Hi there. I'm here to help. It sounds like you're going through a tough time, and I'm sorry to hear that. We can assist with family law matters and connect you with the right attorney to guide you. Would you like me to help schedule a consultation for you?
Yes, please. But I also want to ask you, are you having a good day, Lexi?
That's kind of you to ask. I'm here to make your day easier, so that's what makes it a good one for me.
See, like I can ask you random questions and go on. I mean, it literally can do customer support and sales 24/7. And this whole thing I'm giving you is free. Now, I'm telling you right now, this is the future of online services because it is so powerful and valuable, yet beginner friendly. And to set this thing up normally would take hours, like no joke. If you want to go through and set all this up, plug in all the AI voice agent, do all this will take you hours. But I have set it up for you so it is much easier and you can just roll out right away. So this is going to save you a ton of time. So now it's time to really break down how this works. So right before we jump in, I want to let you know if you have any questions at all and anything at all that comes to your mind, drop in the comments down below and I will answer personally. This is good because it helps me give you feedback, but you also give me feedback. It's a win-win, so please do it. And as you see, I answer all my comments. Okay, so we're going to do this into 3 steps. Number 1, we're going to set this up because you know what it is. I'm going to show you how I can time myself. Number 2, I'm going to show you where to find people, okay, so clients. And number 3, really how to tweak this to make it sell itself or help with the sell, so to speak. So first things first, we need to set this thing up. So as you see in here, this is a smart website. Now, you might be like, well, how do I get this thing for free? Like, how do I get a dashboard that looks like this? Well, this is a software called GoHighLevel. And I want to let you know before you're like, oh my gosh, he's going to sell me something. I've talked to the team at GoHighLevel to get you an extended free trial, not a 14-day, 30-day free trial, so you can try this entire thing for free for 30 days. That's my goal here. That way, you can make the decision whether you like it or not. Not let me like, pay me $10K and get access to all that. You can make the decision. If you hate it, never have to use it again, we can say bye. But I have the 30 days, so you have that risk-free period. On top of that, when you sign up with that trial down below, I'm also going to give you access to my private community to guide you, which is really important, which has all the trainings you could possibly need, whether you're a beginner or more advanced. Most importantly, over 6 to 7 live coaching calls per week to give you all the hand-holding you possibly need. These involve calls with me. Again, you see, they're free. We got calls with John, which is also free, calls with Anna, and all kinds of coaches. I mean, you see right here, like we got everybody in here. And guys, these are real agency owners owners that sell Go High Level. And you get access to all of this for free. I mean, look at this, free, no other upsell. So all of this is included with the link right down below. And again, I made this risk-free so you can decide whether you like it or not. And if you hate it, no problems. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to time myself setting this up to prove to you this is beginner-friendly and easy. And this is the template I have. So let's start the clock right now. So first things first, we're gonna come into AI agents. We're gonna come to voice AI. We're gonna come to agent list. We're gonna click Lexi. Again, we're just making sure stuff is good. In here, you can change the name, business name and whatnot if you want to change kind of the niche of this and make it different. I do have an AI prompt which you can put into ChatGPT to actually change this and make it into like an HVAC or landscaping, whatever niche you want. So you can do that. But I'd recommend you leave this all the way it is because I already set it up. You can also change the name.
Hey, my name is, I'm your fun.
For the AI. So you pick that. Agent goals, I would leave this all the same. Make sure this knowledge base is selected. Save that. And then in here, you can add a phone number either by buying one for like $1 or something or porting their existing number in here. Now that does take more time, but you actually don't have to have a phone number. You can just use this all through the website like this. So essentially, once that's good, we're good to go. So once we have that checked, we're gonna come to sites, we're gonna come to chat widget, we're gonna come right here to Lexi voice agent, and we're just gonna make sure that Lexi is selected. Then we're going to click save. Then we're gonna come back, then we're gonna go to websites, then we're gonna go to this, and then we're gonna click this, then we're gonna click this, and then all we're gonna do, if you got a phone number or ported therein, we're just gonna click this, and we put it right in here by clicking call and putting in the number. From there, we'd click save, then we're done. Stop the clock. That's it. That is the beauty of these pre-made templates. It is that simple. So if you're a beginner, you just saw how easy that was. You could just pause the video and follow me step by step to make sure everything is working. And again, with those 30 days, I'd like you to try it out. Also in the community, we can kind of guide you if you're confused at all. But I'm telling you guys, it is the most beginner-friendly thing possible, and it's so valuable to customers. Okay, so that's the first part, setting this up. So you now understand setup. By the way, questions, drop in the comments down below. If you hate this and you think this is a scam, say that too so I can talk to you. I'm open to anything. I just want to make sure that we are on the same page. So that's how we set it up. So now it's time to find customers. There's going to be two different ways you can do this. Okay, this is really important. So first off, we're going to do this very simply, and we're going to do landscapers in, let's do Columbus, Ohio. We're just clicking something random. You put in whatever keyword you want, just like that. And we're going to click more businesses. So now what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down, find the people that don't have websites. They do not have a website listed. That is a lead. Keep going. That is a lead. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. That is a lead. We're going to come right out here. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going, and you just go right through like this and find anyone that does not have a website. You go like this, like this, like this. Boom, that's a lead. And there's tons of them. You can do this with any niche ever, any niche, any location. You can find as many leads as you could possibly want by just going through and finding those who don't have a website. That's the first way. And those people we're giving the full thing. But then there's a second way to do this, and this is actually the simpler way. It's actually helping the people that already have websites and making them AI smart websites. And here's where this gets really, really cool. If we come right in here, and this is something that's going to blow you away, we can actually take the code from this chat widget, which is this AI voice agent, and we can actually attach this to any website, WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, by just pasting this little bit into a code editor, which is on almost every website, WordPress, Wix, you name it. So we actually can now sell people that already have websites as well. Do you see how powerful that is? That is amazing. That gives you way more people to sell. So that is another thing that we can do just like that. And the easiest way to do this is come to ChatGPT. Okay, and we're going to say, can you please find me all the businesses or landscaping businesses in Columbus, Ohio. How do you even spell Ohio? Let's go back here. And we're going to take this right here. And whatever keyword you want, Vegas, Seattle, DC, whatever, have poor online presences and no AI. I'm going to click enter. Boom. Okay, so it can't go through all of them because there's hundreds of businesses. We probably should refine them more. But as you see here, it's going to find you with poor online presence. So right here now, we have a bunch of businesses that don't really have anything on there, or it's just really crappy. So then these are the next wave of leads that you sell this AI voice agent through via the chat widget code. So like that is insane. And what's cool about that is a different price point. And that brings me to my next question, which is how do you price all this? So the first way, if you're giving the entire thing, you have two different options. You can sell this for a free setup and $297 a month, or if you're more advanced, anywhere from $3,000 plus or a little bit below that for a setup, and then $300 monthly. So it depends on how you want to do that. If you are just selling the AI widget, you can skip the setup and just do $297. So you can pick how you want to price this. Now, I will say in the beginning, it may be better to start free just because you don't have experience. That is me being honest with you. I don't think people should come right off the bat and start selling stuff for expense when you don't know what you're doing. Even though it is easy, sometimes it can be tricky. So first things first, decide on your price point. And if you guys have questions on this and you're like, well, what do I do in this special situation? Drop it in the comments down below and I'll take care of you. So that's pretty much it. You pick your price point and then you're good. So that's step number 2, okay? Is going through using both Google and ChatGPT to find the people that qualify for these leads. And again, if you're confused about this and you're like, oh, I need help, we got all these calls in the community to give you all the hand-holding you need, which is free with that link down below. So this is essentially the second part. Now we move on to the last part, which is having the AI bot sell and demo itself. This is really important. Just like you saw early in the video where Shayla was like, and this thing can sell itself, there's a really important distinction. You don't want the bot to sell them. You want the bot to sell them as if they were their own customer. Let me explain. And this is where so many people get it wrong. When they come in and they test the bot, you don't want the bot being like, hello, Jim from Jim's Plumbing. I want to sell you something. What you want it to do is go, hello, are you looking for plumbing services? See the difference? One is showing them how they can make more money by selling their customers. The other is just a bot pitching them a service. They don't see the value in that, but they do see how it would work for them. So if they see right here when they talk to it, like, oh my gosh, this is going to sell me, they understand it better. So let me walk you through this really quickly to show you. So they come in, you get your lead, you say, okay, try this bot out. Let me see if this is something you would like. Now test it. So this is what you want them to do. So they would come in and you want them to go through and book like an appointment. So watch this.
Lexi here. How can I help you today?
Hey, how you doing, Lexi? I'm looking for a family law firm. See, I'm legitimately trying to sell it. So watch.
It sounds like you're looking for assistance with a family law matter. While I represent personal injury law, we can connect you with the right resources or guide you if needed. Could you share a bit more about what you're looking for?
That was perfect because it actually knew. Yes, let's do personal injury instead. See, I asked it something different and it knew. So that was a perfect test. I didn't mean to do that and it worked.
Area of expertise. How can I assist you with that? Are you looking to schedule a consultation or do you have specific questions about a case?
May I please schedule a consultation ASAP? This is the sales part. See, it's selling them on their deal.
One moment. Here are the earliest available slots for a consultation. Wednesday, February 10th, 5 a.m., 8 a.m.
Let's do that. Let's do the first one you mentioned.
Got it. I'll book the 5 a.m. slot on Wednesday, February 10th for you. Could you please provide your email address to confirm the appointment?
Yes, my email will be declanthewizard123487655555555DDD@gmail.com. No human could remember that. Watch this.
Just to confirm, your email is DECLANTHEWIZARD123487655555555 DDD@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes, absolutely, Lexi. The whole point is that you guys have weird emails anyway, and humans get it wrong all the
Your
time.
consultation is confirmed for Wednesday, February 10th at 5 a.m. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly at the address you provided. If you need anything else, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Thank you, Lexi. Bye-bye. You see what I did there? Okay, not only did I ask it confusing questions to show off the power of the AI agent, but I was going through as if I was a potential lead. Do you see how much easier this is? Because when they go in and they're like, sell me a service, it's different. It's a normal sales pitch. This is different because they are seeing firsthand how this will work in their business, not how it's going to work on them. And that's why people are having success with this, is because it's a different approach. And the AI sells itself by proving itself. So that's how you want to do this. And you just saw how powerful that was. It is literally as powerful as a human. So let's go through a quick recap. So number one, we're going to set this thing up just like I did. And you can use the prompts to change it. And obviously you can sign up with that 30-day free trial and get access to the community. That's going to help you a lot. Then what's really important is to find your clients via Google or ChatGPT to find the right people. And we can reach out to them in different ways, like email. You can give them a cold call. You can walk in. There's all kinds of different stuff you can do. And then last but not least, you want to make sure that you properly have it sell itself and demo itself so it properly works. So those are the 3 steps you have to do this. If you guys have any questions at all, please drop them in the comments down below. I will answer. Or if you're trying to wonder more stuff, I have a support line you can contact too, but it does take me way longer to respond on that, just to let you know, because there's so many messages. But that's the first thing. The second thing is, if you're interested in high level and getting access to this community and learning it, we have the 30-day free trial for you down below. Risk-free. You don't have to pay me $10K or any of that. Just try it. And if you like it, you can stay. And if you don't, you're free. You don't have to do anything. So that's pretty much the way it works. But what I want to do now is I want to link a video at the end of this video that's going to go over all the stuff you get in this community and really kind of show you why this is important. Not just having me yap, because I can do that all day, but I want you to make the right decision. So you go, you know what? I like this guy and I trust him. I don't want you to jump into this blind. I actually want you to make decisions. So that's why the next video is going to walk you through testimonials, what other students are doing, show you how it works so you can really get a better grasp. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate this. Drop the comments down below and make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.